So in today's video, I will show you how you can run your old bulb LED top, meaning IPS open 65 watt with the bulb. Have this bulb inside. You can see this bulb inside the top. LED top is contains 35 volt minimum to it can watt out. So I don't have 35 volt power supply. So that's why I can ask you. I made a power supply or button voltage which can input 15 volts input to output 35 volt DC. So there's a button voltage circuit which I can make on my one previous video. I also linked in the video in description, but there are problem. So previous video circuit diagram is not good, so that's why I can make a it now. So there's a inverter 2FC2500 transistor inverter circuit. So it is a 2FC2500 transistor. I don't mark so for this to type it, but you can FC2500 transistor. So basically there are a transformer which I'll tell you I use as an inductor. So this is a center tap which 220 to 12 volt step down transformer. So I use as a reverse because this is a transformer, so I can use reverse as my all videos. So it can generate up to 220 volt, but I don't need a 220 volt right now. I need a switching. I am using this transformer as like the inductor. So this middle pin is positive the first supply as well as the output capacitor negative, and output capacitor positive, output capacitor 680 microfarad 35 volt positive side to diode to the first tap of the transformer, and third tap transformer is connected 12 volt binding. This is to 1 kilo ohm to transistor base and transistor collector to pin number transistor tap number 1, and tap number 3rd center is connected to positive. What happens then when negative voltage here to the emitter and positive to a collector? It can take a positive voltage though the feedback winding it's as like half winding is feedback after like as a primary. So it can voltage passed by positive to feedback to 1 kilo ohm limiting resistor to base of a transistor the generator trigger and put the negative to emitter to collector to this coil. That states this positive and negative combined together. This states this base voltage is dropped and transistor is turned off. When these turn off, transistor cannot conduct any more negative voltage. So positive after all positive, not though negative side, it can do the base of the transistor again, and transistor can turn on and it can conduct negative voltage and return off transistor. This process is repeat of thousands of millions of times seconds, and there is generator induction. One way this time and one way this time. Both ways can catch by this wire and then output is. But I don't need this output. So when is I already mentioned when you can give any power supply power source to inductor as slaps the voltage. When you remove the power, it can double the power. So that states it is double the power, but this double power is AC form, which can doing is opposite polarity, meaning I supply positive voltage here. But when this induction mode, reiterative self-induction is negative sign is there, positive sign is there, which can pass the diode. So there's the AC, so need a DC. So that's when this 1 and 477 is diode, and smooth by this capacitor 35 volt 680 microfarad. You can use any capacitor, any capacitance to your voltage. It does not matter. You can need bigger capacitor for bigger voltage and smaller capacitor for smaller voltage, both and both, because there are very high frequency one. If frequency is low, so you can change every capacitor values above the 35 volt. It cannot work at all. Now there is a circuit like the original circuit based on 2FC2500. This time I did not connect the heat sink because due to this not need a heat sink because it will load the dissipation for positive feed of this transformer center tap. I mean this base wire to 1 kilo ohm. Although this time I connected at 10 kilo ohm because I don't have right now 1 kilo ohm, so 10 kilo ohm is still worth as a 1 kilo ohm. And there is the other wire which is connected to collector terminal of the transistor, and the meter is negative, and collector to feed this diode, which is the this negative side, and the positive side is connected to the capacitor positive as well as this LED drop red wire, and LED drop positive wire, negative wire to capacitor negative, as well as the power wire which is connected to a positive of this side. I can show you right there. So this side. So why is that you can also at this point is there my power supply has lots of outputs, same output, so I don't that these ideas not matter you can use. So it is a reverse way, and I also net LED for monitoring output voltage for 220 mole. If you add a battery instead of power supply feeding by battery's power, you can also run your bulb, made an emergency torchlight as well as your phone charger is. So that's why you can do 220 output for there and 35 volt output for there, and we can feed 12 volt for 12 to 15 volt is there. This takes a 10 volt. It is still worth, but maybe not good efficiency. But I don't try. But I let in the last of the video I can try with this battery. But right now I not try at all. When I turn on the power supply, so I can set a 16 volt, and you can see then little bit generate issue noise, and these LEDs also turn on, and these LEDs is neon also turn on, which is indicate 220 is present. That this can indicate it can present up 35 volt. It is safe to touch right now, but don't touch there, and don't touch their transistor, because this metal plate is isolates for everything, but there are some induction which can give electrical shock. And once my ohm light to check how much bright it is, turn off the room light. So now we turn off the room light and see how much bright it is. So you can see it is a too much bright, but although it cannot look at camera, but it is a too much bright at all. And you can see it is now the 21 milliamps. So it is a too little bright, so we can use this transistor as 18 if you like a more load. So if you have bigger size of 12, this size is a 12 volt battery or 15 volt battery, it is a very good thing, but I don't have 12 volts right, so I try with this and come back once first. This battery cannot handle, these batteries cannot handle the high voltage, so I decided with all these batteries, each battery is 5 volt, 2 batteries are 10 volt, I need a 15 volt, meaning 1 or 2 batteries more, so to run this, otherwise it is not possible. I have only 2 batteries right now, so that case this is not possible to run with these batteries. I need more batteries or other thing to turn on. And this video is done with them next